Here I have OnePlus Nord N30, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, what you'll have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up, then swipe power off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see OnePlus logo appeared, you should release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, or you can just use touchscreen. And here you have such options as format data, reboot device and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select reboot device and then your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.